Boring is a cutting process that involves the use of a single-point cutting tool, or boring head to enlarge an existing hole in a workpiece. The boring diameter is not limited by the size of the tool, and the boring error correction ability is strong. Multiple cutting can correct the deviation error of the axis of the original hole, and the boring hole is consistent with the positioning surface. High positioning accuracy. Boring has a wide range of machining and can process holes of different sizes and different accuracy levels. For holes in hole series that require large diameters, dimensions, and positional accuracy, boring is an excellent machining method. Drilling can be carried out on the basis of drilled, cast and forged holes. There is a wide range of achievable dimensional tolerance classes and surface roughness values, in addition to small and deep holes. Almost all kinds of diameters and various structures can be drilled.